combining the all technology and features of the larger iRange deep models in a smaller package. The Charlton Jenrick i1000E Deep is a versatile fire that can fit in any interior space. Choose between the two optional relaxing fire crackling sound effects and control their volume, or run the fire without any sound effects. This modern feature fireplace gives you the option of installing as a 1, 2 or 3-sided feature by simply removing the relevant side blanking plates. Create a hole in the wall feature, either recessed fully into a stud wall so only the main front aspect is in show. A contemporary corner fireplace at one end of a stud wall when removing the left or right hand blanking plate. For a stunning 180-degree view of the fire with both side blanking plates, you can enjoy a 3-sided centerpiece. The Charlton Jenrick iRange electric fires come with a 5-year extended parts warranty. The first 2 years is parts and labour.